Right, so we've got vice. Vices are unimportant at the minute. Unimportant at the minute. So what we got is this lovely little brand new 6-inch. I mean, I don't even know where it come from. Job lot, don't know. But what we're going to do is give this some patina. Because you need a balance in the universe. If I keep cleaning tools, I've got to give something back, haven't I? So I'm giving this back, alright? So first of all, I'm going to, I mean, you got to give it some knocks and stuff, haven't you? You got to give it some that's not really doing it, is it? Blow torch. I don't want to blow torch it. I don't want to blow torch it. Now there may be those among you that are dubious, and you say, Jim, you're doing it just to show off. Well, I can assure you I am. I've got to try and write my name in it. There we go, that's a bit distressed, isn't it? What do you think? It definitely looks a bit distressed. I'll have to give it another bang. Get a bang with Alright, what do you reckon? Now, I'm going to use a new formula that you may never have seen before. It's used by all the top channels to make the tools look a little bit more distressed before they restore them. You get your item and you put it in a tray, right? Get your item. First of all, this is not a joke, people. This is low-fat natural yogurt. The translation of American to this is Walmart. Alright? Oh, look at that. Lovely. Yuck. Yeah, people eat that shit. That's about enough. Kids will love that. Right. Good. Get over there, out of the way. Now what we need now, this is sugar with molasses. Molasses, alright? Sugar with molasses. Sugar. Oh, fucking hell. That's all you need. You think I'm crazy, didn't you? You watch what happens to this bugger. Now the first 5 of you to leave messages in the comments section that you want to try this, in my messages and in Resto Rob's messages, the top 5 in each, we will give this recipe to, and you can make your own videos. Everybody else, can you try a different method? I mean, by all means, try this method, but let's see some patina come from different places. It's the reaction between the natural, living, organic stuff in the yogurt and the molasses in the sugar, right? Combined with this secret ingredient that we're only going to tell 10 of you. The first 5 to leave comments in each of our comments section. And you must attempt it, otherwise you're taking away a chance from some other person. This is the important part. smells so bad already. Right, here we are. We'll come back to that in a few hours. Okay, so it's been a while. Obviously, if you're preparing for a big once a month YouTube upload, you could leave it in the mixture much longer and get a better result. I'm just showing you quickly what happens. I'm honestly not sure if you should use some sort of neutralizing agent at this stage. I did get a bit bored with the article, and obviously I was only interested in the process to convert it to patina. Well, here's Scoutcrafter's favourite bit, the before and after. Now, if you was very technically minded, obviously you could start off with a brand new wrench, distress the hell out of it across a video, and then play it in reverse and pretend that you'd restored it. I'm not saying people do that, but you never know. Right, it was something different. I hope it gave you a giggle, and remember, first 5 people leave their names in the comments to say, I'm going to do it, you'll get the recipe. Don't forget, check out Resto Rob's version. Okay, look forward to seeing your entries, and I'm going to say bye for now. Who says that?